I've really been encouraged with the Yiddish Center of how much it's at least preserving it. And as we talked about earlier in terms of contrasting that with the struggle that some of the Indian tribes are having in terms of maintaining that language. The tribe that has been, one of the tribes that's been most successful in the United States has been the Cherokee, and that's because the Sequoia developed the alphabet to be able to write down Cherokee, and other tribes haven't had that same benefit. And I think Yiddish being written it certainly has enabled it to be preserved.